welcome back to Dowie's Workshop. Today I want to show you how to make some pen blanks. So we have our pen blank molds here. The previous clip you just saw was me stabilizing this wood, and you have to use a vacuum chamber and then bake it. So we got that all cleaned up, and I have some pigments: orange, blue, copper, yellow, a little bit of green. Mixing cups, mixing utensils, and resin. So here we go. Orange. Let's get these in the pressure pot. Alright, we got them out of the pressure pot. Let's check them out. Had a little problem with this one. It got a little off level, and some of the epoxy leaked out. So I don't know, some of these might work, some might not, and we might have to repurpose them. So, as you can see, some of these are a little off, so they may not be any good. I don't know, maybe. I don't think I did a very good job of stabilizing my wood. I don't know, I don't think it's supposed to float after you stabilize it, but some of this floated. Let's check. These did a lot better. Next time I won't stack two on top of two in the pressure pot. That way I don't have to put the plastic on. I don't know. I might have to repurpose these for something. Probably make some little finials or something out of them. The surface of my pressure pot, didn't have it level, so the bottom layer was tilted and it all leaked out to the one side. So next time I have to make sure my surface is level. I'm not going to stack them next time like this. I've never done this before. This is something I was just trying out. Maybe I'll try to make one in a later video and see what happens. So not a complete failure. A little bit of a failure. That's okay. And I just want to say thank you to my subscribers, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Anybody new, hit the subscribe button. And stay tuned for more on Dally's Workshop.